Certainly. Here's a delicious and easy instant pot roast recipe. Ingredients: 3–4 pounds chuck roast, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, 1 large onion, chopped, 3–4 garlic cloves, minced, 4 medium carrots, peeled and cut into chunks, 4 medium potatoes, peeled and cut into chunks, 2 cups beef broth, 1/4 cup red wine, optional, 2 tablespoons tomato paste, 2 tablespoons Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon dried thyme, 1 teaspoon dried rosemary, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: season the chuck roast with salt and pepper on all sides. Turn on the Instant Pot and select the sauté mode. Once hot, add the vegetable oil. Sear the chuck roast on all sides until it develops a brown crust. This will help seal in the juices and add flavor to the pot roast. Remove the seared roast from the Instant Pot and set it aside. In the same Instant Pot, add chopped onions and sauté for a few minutes until they become translucent. Then, add minced garlic and cook for another minute. Add the beef broth, red wine, if using, tomato paste, Worcestershire sauce, dried thyme, dried rosemary, and dried oregano to the Instant Pot. Stir well to combine all the ingredients. Place the seared chuck roast back into the Instant Pot with the sauce. Add the chopped carrots and potatoes around the roast. Close the Instant Pot with the lid and make sure the valve is set to the sealing position. Select the pressure cook, or manual, setting and set the timer for 60 minutes on high pressure. The Instant Pot will take some time to come to pressure before the timer starts. Once the cooking time is complete, allow the pressure to naturally release for about 10–15 minutes. After that, you can do a quick release to release any remaining pressure. Carefully open the Instant Pot lid, and your pot roast should be tender and flavorful. Transfer the pot roast to a serving platter and let it rest for a few minutes before slicing.